Alright guys, let's dive just a little bit into um, Adobe XD dashboard. Alright, so this is probably when you open your file, you're gonna get something like this. I'll start from up, you get the logo, you see the files, where you can create new files and do other things, get your skit and stuff, so that you have the view, the edit, where you can undo. It's very important that you take your time and you read through this. The past, mostly the good thing about this is that the shortcuts that you use in some apps like Photoshop and Premiere Pro are similar stuff. You like to copy, to paste, to duplicate. They are similarly the same thing. Then we have object. You can get them there, plugins, view, windows, and help. We're gonna dive a little bit into these topics in the videos ahead. So dive into these topics in the videos ahead. So we have the icon, home icon. If you click on it, you simply redirect you back to the home where you can create a new shape and start it up. Then we have the design, which is where you do your design. They will have the prototype, is when you are done with your design and you want to add animations to your design, and the shortcut for it is add alternative 2. Then we have share. Share is when you are done with your work and you want to share it with your clients or with your people, with your colleagues. And when you click on it, you receive other options to share, and we'll dive into it more in the topic ahead, videos ahead. So we have the pointers button, which is normally known as the select, and the shortcut for it is V. Then from here to here are the shape buttons. We have the pen buttons, we have the text buttons, we have the add buttons, and we have the zoom. Then from down here we have the library. Then right down here we have the layers, and right here we have the blockings. So when you come here is where you can easily change your name. If you're not okay with the name there, you can write my first work in XT, then you click saved. Then here is the add button where you get to work, and with this part it simply gives you the editable tools and editable layers when you click on a text tool this way. So that is the basic functions. We'll dive more deeper into it in the videos ahead.